Good morning. Welcome to my channel another time. Yes, if you don't know me, I'm Linda. And in this video, I am going to show you our spring cleaning project that we did in 2 weeks of the heat of the summer. Now, it has cooled down tremendously the last 3 days, but we finished this on Friday of last week, and today's Monday. So I will tell you, it was a challenge. Horrible temperatures, horrible heat, horrible humidity, and we did all the projects that normally we would do all spring, and we did it in 2 weeks time. And I just want to say thank you to my family for persevering and making it through, and because it was tough. It was tough. Even my friends know how tough it was. I want to thank Simply Jan Homestead. She rescued me with a fan at the end of towards the end of the 2 weeks, actually in the middle of the last week. But it was a challenge. I hope you enjoy this video. I didn't film a lot of what I was doing. I'm going to show you a lot of after it was done. So enjoy. Good morning. I'm out here walking my little pup, Scout. You guys named him. Letting him go potty. And there's Forrest. Yeah. So, I put a post here, and this is just one of the little ones. And I went ahead and painted it black to match the fence, and then I put a light in it. Come on, baby. I gotta get this dog. No, you are not getting in there. Come on. Come on. Okay. One of the things that desperately needed done was this wheelchair ramp. It was rotted. It was in bad shape. I went through and painted all of the rails. I took out all of the rotten boards, and I just did this in the last couple of days. In 100-degree weather, it was rough. So I took out all of the rotten boards. Each one of those boards, I don't know if you can see here, has a nail and 2 screws in 4 different spots on the big boards, 3 different spots over here. And so all of these were done. Next, I went through, because some of the posts were having issues, I went ahead and got caps to protect them. And I put caps on all of the posts. So you can see. All the posts have caps on them now. So I did that. That was one of the projects. That was just one of the projects. I painted this deck floor. That was another project. Come on. Of our front porch. Power washed the house. Today, I'm going to get, no, come on. Come on, you want to smell each other? Okay. Let me get this puppy back in. But today I'm going to get a pump so my husband can pump out the water out of the pool, because we have a leak in our pool. And there's just some bad water sitting in there. I also have laid down this neat little rubber barrier so that today we're going to go get a load of mulch, and I am going to be putting mulch in all of my flower beds, laying black landscape fabric, and putting mulch in the flower. My hubby resurfaced, or sealed, not resurfaced, but sealed the parking area. And it's a big parking area. So he had to pressure wash it all and then seal it in this heat. It was horrible. I don't know if you can see, but I also hung up all brand new curtains in the sunroom. So they're a white linen and they just look so nice, and it helps with the heat because the heat just beats on that room and makes it really warm at times. So that was one of the projects. This area is our boneyard. This is where we keep all our scrap. Well, we cleaned this entire area up. So that's the last of our wood that's of any good. Our wire that we wanted to keep. Our posts that we wanted to keep. And everything else is gone. Yeah, we filled it full. It took 2 trailers of my husband's dump trailer over there, full of stuff. This was an all-day project, and that's another one of the projects we worked on. And believe it or not, this area too, where my husband stores some of his equipment, it had tons of stuff over here. It's all been cleaned out. Only what he needs is left. I was pretty proud of him for this. Yeah, there's some things done. We also cleaned up the pool area. My son did. We anchored down a countertop that wasn't anchored down. I hung up these curtains in our 4-season room, our little room. I call it the little room. It's kind of a mud room, 4-season room. And there is my Falcon, my Creality Falcon laser engraver cutter that I just love. Anyway, but let me take you outside and show you some of the other things that I forgot to mention that have been done. Okay, so I painted this deck and the stairs. Oh, I totally cleaned up a bedroom, reorganized it all, took everything out, and yeah. So those things take a lot of time. Mulch, got flowers for that flower bed and weeded it. Got mulch and flowers for that flower bed and weeded it and hung a little plant up there. It's been a challenge and it's been rewarding. It's been tiring, exhausting. You saw the driveway or the parking area. And look, Simply Jan Homestead, I found these cute little pillows at Walmart. They're your truck. I showed you the shop, how my husband cleaned up over there, and we cleaned up the boneyard. Let's see. Oh, I have a new project coming up. It's not a project, I had a company send me a low profile drain with electric pump for oil changer. So my husband's going to be doing that video because of the heat. But we're on the final stretch. So all we have left to do is to pump out the pool, take the tarp off of the little cabin so we can get ready to do that roof. We're not doing it right away. We'll do it within a couple of weeks or a month or so. Let me take you back over here. Because I did do this flower bed. I haven't got any flowers planted in it yet, though. And I showed you the little light that I put up. And I'm going to be working on this fence. I am not done with this fence. I have to put the other gate up. I haven't made. I just haven't got the other gate up. And then we're going to put the woven wire up. That's probably going to happen sometime this week. And of course get the grass cut and the weed eating done. But that's basically it. So I am going to get this sump pump, or this pump, utility pump, and then we're going to go get a load of mulch. So that's everything that was done in the front, I believe. Just a lot of work. And it was very, very hot. Oh, over here by the storm shelter. So, yes, I've been busy. And I worked way harder than I should have. I realize that. We had a little area over by the storm shelter that, the storm shelter doesn't have flowers in it. And there's no water over here. So I usually don't plant flowers. I think my hose would reach over here. But I'm not sure. And we need to run water over here. We just never have. Primarily because of this driveway. But yeah, I told you how he cleaned that all up. And then my grass is already growing back through. Anyway, I just cleaned up this area, weeded up in the storm shelter, and laid some mulch down. But this grass is just probably made other people work way harder than I should have. I realize that. And I just thank them all. I thank my hubby. I thank my son. I thank Chastity. I thank God that he gave me the strength to do it. We're building a parking area over here for my son because his car leaks and we don't want oil on the, on the parking lot. So my husband's building, we got to get a couple of loads of gravel and lay down some more weed barrier. Yeah. So that's what we worked on in the front. It was a lot of work, but everything looks so nice now. My hair's a mess. It's because I put a hat on and it just makes it a mess, but that's okay. I don't care. The catio. Makes me happy. Makes me happy. And it was so hot and treacherous. Literally, I was working anywhere from 10 to 14 hours in a temperature that feels like well over 100 on days. And because the humidity was just so bad. And I got to show you this volunteer tomato. It is so cool. I need to stake it up. But it's got tons of tomatoes on it. It's a volunteer. It's just from me throwing out some tomato salad. Yeah, pretty cool. I picked up these 2 stools at the Peddler's Mall. And I am going to sand them down and paint them. And then I'm going to put a padded seat on them and use them in my house. So I thought they'd be really cool. And then out back, I don't know if I can get you out there, because sometimes this gate's locked. Yeah, it's locked. But out back, my son trimmed the weeping willow and the other tree, and he trimmed this tree. He fixed the pool fence and gates, took the tarp off of the roof of the little cabin, and his partner, wife, she weeded it all around the fence, all around the pond, all around the garden area. And she just did a ton of weeding, and I don't even know how she did it. It was pretty incredible. But all around all the buildings, and it just looks fantastic. So these guys are hoping I'll come and feed them. And I did paint the back deck too as well. And they all just like hang out with me when I come out. Toto. He weighs about 30 pounds. Anyway, I just want to thank you all. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.